Hello friends, a good day to all of you. We are back with double displacement reaction, which is also a part of types of chemical reaction in 10th chemistry. Now we are talking about the topic is double displacement reaction. Earlier we studied displacement reaction where one element is displacing another element from its compound to get a new compound with the earlier element. Now we are talking about double displacement reaction. In a chemical reaction, the double displacement reaction states that in a chemical reaction, one element from each the compound taking part as a reactant get displaced or exchanged from the another. If there are two compounds which are going to react in a double displacement, the elements from both the compounds will get exchanged, or we can say double displacement, one component of both the compounds reacting molecules or compounds get exchanged to other. Like if AB is a compound and CD is a compound, then either A or B will get exchanged with C or D, like AC plus BD or AD plus BC. The compounds C1 and C2, where one element of compound 1 is get exchanged with another element of compound 2. क्या कहना चाहते हैं हम कि द डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन वो रिएक्शन होता है जिसके अंदर कोई भी दो कंपाउंड जो रिएक्ट करते हैं उनके एक एलिमेंट एक या एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट आपस में एक्सचेंज होते हैं, या ये कंपाउंड हो सकता है या ये मॉलिक्यूल हो सकता है जिसका एक एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट को डिस्प्लेस करता है. In double displacement reaction we will see, like for example, if we are taking barium chloride with sodium carbonate, barium chloride BaCl2 and sodium carbonate Na2CO3. One more thing I need to explain. In double displacement, the reactants are always in aqueous solution, or the double displacement reaction occurs when there are aqueous solution in reactants. So if this will be the reaction, the barium chloride will get converted into barium carbonate and sodium will get attached with chlorine to form salt, sodium chloride, and barium will get connected with carbonate to form barium carbonate. This is an example of double displacement reaction. Another example we can take is from calcium hydroxide CaOH2, which is also called slaked lime. We are using this because this is a very common example which is used in every reaction to give easy explanation. If this is reacting with CO2, what will happen? Calcium react with carbon dioxide to produce calcium carbonate, and the other part is the hydroxide with one oxygen react to form water. This is another example of double displacement reaction. Here the precipitation changes. What precipitation changes? Where here we will get white PPT when it forms calcium carbonate. Another example is of neutralization. Neutralization means neutralization. यहाँ बेरियम क्लोराइड सोडियम कार्बोनेट के साथ रिएक्ट कर रही है और क्या बना रही है? बेरियम जो है वो कार्बोनेट के साथ जुड़ जा रहा है और जो सोडियम है वो क्लोरीन के साथ. Here the formation is like this. One element is going to attach with the rest compound, displacing the another element, and it is attached to the rest part of the first compound to form barium carbonate and sodium chloride. अनदर एग्जांपल, जो दूसरा एग्जांपल हमने लिया वो है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, जिसको हम चूना कहते हैं, स्लेट लाइम, जो किससे रिएक्ट कर रहा है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से. जो हम दीवारों पे चूना करते हैं वो जब स्टार्टिंग में हम उसमें लगाते हैं तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होता है, उसको जब जब धीरे धीरे समय के साथ मॉइस्चर इसमें जाता है और एयर से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इससे रिएक्ट करती है तो क्या बनाती है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, जो सफेद दिखता है, व्हाइट वॉश जिसे हम कहते हैं, और क्या प्रोड्यूस करती है, वाटर एज एन एडिशनल एलिमेंट. नाउ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इज अ प्रोसेस इन विच an acid is react with base to produce salt. An acid react with base to produce salt. This is called neutralization. Acid, for an example, we will take HCl and base as NaOH. If they combine to get reacted here, it is hydrochloric acid. And it is sodium hydroxide. To form NaCl, sodium chloride. And with water. This is called an example of double displacement and also called neutralization, which neutrals an acid when reacted with base, it forms salt. Another example we can take of nitric acid with potassium hydroxide. Nitric acid is HNO3, with potassium hydroxide it is KOH. It is called nitric acid and it is called potassium hydroxide. They forms KOH. They forms potassium nitrite with water. It is called potassium nitrite. Mostly in double displacement, ionic reaction takes place, like ions here, H plus and NO3 minus. This is called ions. One H plus ion combined with NO3 minus to produce nitric acid. Same here, K plus 1 OH minus 1. They combines to produce a compound. Now when they are reacting, the K reaches to this place and H reaches to this place to form H2O. When a positive, H positive and OH minus combine, they form H2O, and K positive and NO3 minus combine, they form potassium nitrate. In maximum cases in double displacement, the reaction is ionic in nature. Now if you will say H plus Cl minus, this is your for HCl, Na plus OH minus, this is the charge individual on a small compound or a compound which is partition, it is in positive and negative charge. But when they combine, they form positive, negative, neutral, positive, negative, neutral. Here also, when Na plus combines with Cl minus, they form NaCl, and OH minus and H plus combine to form water. This is basically called double displacement reaction. And that's it for double displacement reaction. Thank you for watching this.